Have you ever wondered why naval power holds such a significant sway in global politics? Imagine a chessboard, but instead of a flat surface, it's the vast expanse of the world's oceans. The chess pieces, they're the world's navies, each with their unique strengths and strategies. Among them, the United States Navy stands as the reigning king, its power and influence unmatched. The United States Navy, established in 1775, is a testament to strength and strategy. With an impressive fleet of over 293 active vessels, it is the world's premier maritime force. Its armada includes 11 Nimitz-class aircraft carriers, a dozen active nuclear-powered submarines, and a staggering number of cruisers and destroyers. This impressive lineup is further complemented by a diverse fleet of littoral combat ships, amphibious assault ships, and support vessels. But the size of its fleet is just the tip of the iceberg. The U.S. Navy's technological prowess sets it apart. It leads the world in the development and deployment of advanced weaponry, sensors, and unmanned systems. Its nuclear-powered propulsion provides its vessels with unmatched range and endurance. Moreover, it's not just about power, it's about presence. The U.S. Navy is everywhere, safeguarding international waters, upholding the law, and responding to crises. It works closely with allies and partners around the globe, and in times of disaster, it's often the first to provide humanitarian aid. However, while the U.S. Navy rules the waves, it's not without competition. The People's Liberation Army Navy of China, with over 355 active vessels, is the largest navy by hull count. Although it may lack in technological sophistication compared to the U.S., its rapid modernization is noteworthy. Then there's the Russian Navy, which, despite facing economic and political challenges, maintains an impressive fleet of nuclear-powered submarines and advanced surface combatants. In conclusion, the U.S. Navy's dominance in global waters is unmatched. Its combination of size, technological superiority, and global presence cements its position as the world's leading maritime power. It's not just about the ships or the advanced technology. It's about the strategic use of these assets to maintain peace, uphold international law, and respond to crises. The U.S. Navy is not just a force, it's a symbol of strength and stability in a world of constant change.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.